Students, welcome to my video. The last day we discussed 4 basic operations on integers. Now let us discuss some properties of integers from the chapter integers, chapter number 1. First property, closure property. What is mean by closure property? You take any two integers, add, subtract, multiply or divide. I repeat, any two integers. Take any two integers, add or subtract or multiply or divide. You will get an integer, again an integer. That property is called closure property. That property is called closure property, or closed under addition, closed under division, closed under multiplication, closed under subtraction. Okay, so that is called closure property. First we have to check in the case of addition. So let us discuss some examples. 3 plus 4. So these are two integers, 3 and 4. Add, you will get again an integer 7. 7 is also an integer, correct? And take another example, minus 2 and 7. Minus 2 is an integer, 7 is also an integer. So minus 2 plus 7 is equal to what? 5. So again an integer, 5 is an integer. 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Again an integer, 0 is an integer. Minus 3 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is an integer. So we can say integers are closed under addition for any two integers a and b, comma a plus b is an integer, correct? Then in the case of subtraction, what happened? Take 7 and 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to what? 5. 7 integer, 2 integer and 5 is also an integer. And 3 and minus 4. 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 plus 4. Correct? 3 plus 4 is equal to what? 7. It is again an integer. Again another example, minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3. Subtract. So minus 2 minus into minus become plus. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. Correct? Minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0 is equal to what? Minus 1. Again an integer. So we can say that for any two integers a and b, comma a minus b is an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under subtraction. Okay. Then next, multiplication. What happened here? 3 into 7 equal to 21. Correct? 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Then 3 and 7 are integers and 21 is also an integer. Minus 2 into 8 is equal to minus 16. Minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to plus 24. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Is an integer. So these are all integers for any two integers a and b, and multiply a into b is also an integer. Therefore integers are closed under multiplication. Okay. Then last case, division. I am taking two examples. 16 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Correct? That means 16 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Correct? Is an integer. But in the case of 4 divided by 8 is equal to 4 divided by 8, it is divided by, we can reduce 2 by 2. Okay, divided by 2 by 2 on numerator and denominator, we can reduce. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So we will get 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 is not an integer. Correct? Is it correct? 1 by 2 is not an integer. What is mean by integer? Integers are 0, positive natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, and negative natural, that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, etc. That are integers, but 1 by 2 is not there. So 1 by 2 is not an integer. Next example, minus 5 divided by 25 is equal to minus 5 divided by 25. It is divided by 5 by 5 on numerator and denominator. You will get minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Minus 1 divided by 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So minus 1 by 5 again is not an integer. So therefore we can say integers are not closed under division. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.